Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join a classroom on the Quizlet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Quizlet app on your device, and once you open it up, make sure that you are logged in using your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the home page. Now from here, if you wish to join any class, you can simply use the search box at the top in order to search for the name of this classroom. Now, from the search results, you will find sets, textbooks, as well as questions. You can simply browse through the various different flashcards or the sets and then tap on the Learn button in order to join this class right away. Once you have joined this class, you will be asked to choose your goals from the given options, or you can tap on the Skip Personalization button in order to skip it altogether. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to join any classroom within the Quizlet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.